another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
We're keeping it 100, y'all, because you know this is not the man show. This is Rose and Gold. So we're going to get straight into the topics for today.
But don't forget the She's Hot contest winner, IK.
You're right, Dr. Ross. I almost forgot. And guys, our winner for this week is a 10 out of 10. She's too hot to handle and too cold to hold. But let's get straight into our She's Hot winner. And our She's Hot winner for this week is Miss Nicole O'Brien.
Congratulations, Miss Nicole O'Brien.
Congratulations. And we're going to have to send the trophy out to you because you are fine as a bottle of wine. But Miss Nicole O'Brien, she lived most of her teen life in London, UK, and she's a trained musician, and she's also a fitness freak. Dr. Ross, this is the girl for me. That's for you, Miss Bryan. But let's get into our hot topics for today. Congratulations, Miss Bryan.
Congratulations.
Nicole. Let's get into our first hot topic for today with Angelina Jolie and her children.
That's right. So Angelina Jolie took her daughter Shiloh and her son Pax, whatever his name is, to the premiere for Paper and Glue, based on the French artist JR. What are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, I haven't heard of this film Paper and Glue, but I'm going to have to check it out. And second of all, I'm going to have to take Shiloh from home, Dr. Ross, because we're around the same age, and you know, we're in Hollywood all the time. You know, we got to keep it 100.
Yes, sir!
And to rephrase that, Dr. Ross, Miss Shiloh, I'll steal you from home. Angelina Jolie knows what I'm talking about. And you know what? I can't leave the mothers out too. I'll bring you home flowers. You know what I mean? Shiloh, keeping it 100. But let's get into our next hot topic. Or actually, before we get into our next hot topic, I'm gonna have to wash your hair out, Shiloh. You and Angelina Jolie with the Jamaican products. That's right.
Get your hair looking luxurious.
That's for you. You are number one on my list.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Wait. IK, what happened to Kylie Jenner?
Kylie Jenner got fired. Let's get into our next hot topic with Kanye West. He's saying that he has a holy trinity of reasons for wanting Kim back.
I heard about this. Kanye, go sit down somewhere and have some hot water. On to our next hot topic. We're going to talk about the four musketeers. We have Willow Smith, Jaden Smith, Will Smith, and Jada Pinkett Smith. They were spotted for the premiere of Venus and Serena Williams.
Their King Richard film.
That's right.
You know, Dr. Ross, Willow, I saw her in another interview and a few other topics. You know, Willow is looking fit, Dr. Ross. She's been getting her work on and her game up. And Will's been doing a lot of films. You know, his outfit is very nice, but with a few more tweaking, he could look even better.
That's right.
Leia status.
And Jada looks good, and I just have to say they need to do something about Jaden because he is in another zone right now, as you can tell.
Smoking a bit too much 420. But let's get into our next hot topic with Britney Spears. So, happy birthday, Miss Spears. We're not too late, too early, or not too much in the middle.
That's right. Hopefully your fiance celebrated it correctly. We saw you blowing out all the candles and showing lots of PDA, so we know you had a good time.
Enjoy life to the fullest. Let's get into our next hot topic with Cardi B. Now, if you don't know, Cardi B is now the face of the Playboy magazine. Now, Dr. Ross and I, we know that we own Playboy International, and this is just paving the way, because sooner or later, you will see Playboy International. Just you wait. And Cardi B, we like what you're doing, but with Offset, you're gonna have to cut him off because he's not needed.
That's right. Cut the hot links off because it's not hot chicken time.
Let's
get into our next hot topic for the KarJenner roundup. So starting off with our first KarJenner roundup, TB, not tuberculosis, but Travis Barker. That's what we're gonna call you. Travis Barker. He responded to a fan that was saying that he's going to regret all of his tattoos later on. Travis Barker replied to them and he said, "I look awesome." What are your thoughts, IK?
Debonair, Dr. Ross. Player status. We're going to have to give you the player's card because right now you're playing your cards right. This was the best thing I've heard from you in all the times. TB.
That's right.
Keep on playing, player. Let's get into our next hot topic with the KarJenner roundup, Dr. Ross.
For our next one, Coco is disappointed, but she said she's not going to get into it. Tristan Thompson. So, Tristan Thompson, they're saying he has a secret love child with another woman and he's been paying her to keep quiet.
Allegedly.
Allegedly
On all of this. But you know, Dr. Ross, Coco, she looks slim. When she goes to the mirror, she has to see someone that's slim and hot. Not what she used to be. Because Dr. Ross, really and truly, she can buy a whole basketball team. And that's what she needs to do.
And she's been quiet for a little bit, but it's for good reason. And I'm glad she's not getting into the Tristan Thompson debacle because Tristan is a fool. On to our next and final KarJenner roundup, and then we'll get into the real hot topics. For our last one, Kim Kardashian was spotted with her new tree. She has some Dumbo deers next to her, and then one ornament on the tree, that's Spider-Man. What are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, she's changing up. This just could be her style. But you know, in my opinion, Kim is maturing. Even though she's with Pissy Pete, which is a bad decision on her part, she's maturing over Kanye West, who is looking like a whole buffoon.
That's right. Kanye is somewhere, I'm serious, Kanye is somewhere in the weeds doing something. And Kim, you're right, Kim is maturing. She's looking better.
Dr. Ross, with Kim and her children, we're gonna have to give them the Jamaican shampoo. We're gonna have to wash their hair out. Because right now,
she doesn't know what she's doing with their hair.
That's right. With the kids, she does not know what she's doing. But Dr. Ross and I can help with that.
That's right. Get yourself a bottle of the Jamaican shampoo.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we're going to go ahead and speak on all the drama that's been happening with Tyra Banks. So, one of the contestants, so there's two contestants. One contestant is defending Tyra Banks. Another one is saying that they were paid $40 a day, no residuals, and they had to pay for their own food on set. One of the contestants came back and said, contestants don't get paid to be contestants. She said you get paid when you work hard and you win the actual contest. She said she has all love for Tyra Banks. What are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, she could be hustling, she could be saving some money here and there, but Tyra Banks has hustle. So we're gonna say, keep on playing, playa.
Because Tyra Banks, everyone knows Tyra Banks' story. She struggled too. You guys are not the first models that have popped up on the scene and that are not getting paid. Tyra's actually showing you the fast track to the modeling industry.
That's right. And you know what, Dr. Ross? Tyra Banks is almost doing this like Prince, how she won't give you a lot, but she's giving you exposure, which is what you really need. So Tyra Banks is actually doing a good deed. If you don't want to do it, just don't show up. Give it to Dr. Ross and I. We'll take your spots. But let's get into our next and final hot topic for today.
International King here. I'm just going to stop this topic to say that anytime Dr. Ross says she's relating to Old Man Jenkins, she means MGK. But Megan Fox is still in this topic. But let's get right back into the news.
So we have Grandma Jenkins and Machine Gun Kelly. They were chained together by their fingernails and they had the chain hanging. We're going to put the photo right here. They went to a party together. Like I said, Grandma Jenkins is looking crazy today. Today, she's decided to put a spider on her chin.
You know, Dr. Ross,
thumbs down.
This is a thumbs down. But with Megan Fox, if you take this photo, and we're going to put the edited part right here, if you just cut this Travis, what's his name again, Dr. Ross?
Machine Gun Kelly, but my new name for him is Grandma Jenkins.
If you cut Grandma out of the photo, it looks fine. And when you put him back in the photo, it looks like a ball and chain attached to Megan Fox's leg. This does not fit. And we know some people are saying, allegedly, that she's probably dressing him up. She's doing a bad job.
If she's doing that, she's trying to make herself 1,000 times better because I think that's the plan. She makes him look dumb so that she can look better. Damn. IK, just like the movie in Moses, we have the staff right here for the whipping of the slaves.
Whoa, hey.
That's right. We'll have to put the stamp on your forehead, MGK. Let's get, you know what, we said that was our last hot topic, but we're going to do one more for you guys for today, and that's going to be with Scott Disick. So Scott Disick was spotted with a mystery woman at an Art Basel party in Miami. You know, at first, Dr. Ross, I thought this was going to be something, but Scott Disick came over there looking like a janitor, first of all, and second of all, looks like he just got someone who was drunk in the party. The lady's eyes were so red.
And you know what, it's come to the point where these reporters, they feel bad for Scott. I'm gonna be honest with you. They're trying to grasp at every single girl that walks past Scott and say that he's with them. Because we see Courtney is obviously enjoying her life. She posted her gingerbread house that she made with her new family, TB and the kids, today. And not Travis, but Scott Disick is out here bumping shoulders with ladies that he probably doesn't even know. A sad case.
You know what, Dr. Ross? We're gonna give a moment of silence to Scott, because Scott, he is deceased. Scott has lost out. His player's card's been taken. Everything has been revoked. Scott, you really need help from IK, International King, the International Book.
That's right. And while you're at it, put some Jamaican shampoo in your hair.
That's right, get some dreadlocks going.
Because then while you're crying, at least your hair will look good.
That's right, and while you're at it, donate some money to roseandgold.us.
That's right.
We're looking for soft money, about $5 million. We know you have it. These were all of our hot topics, but for our She's Hot winner, we want to say congratulations, Miss Nicole Ryan.
Congratulations, Miss Nicole.
That's right, congratulations on your win. But we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. Thanks to all the ladies out there. And for Shiloh Pitt, we're out. We'll see you in Hollywood.
Hey, Peter Parker. You got something for me?
You'll get your rent when you fix this damn door!